Today is October 5th, 2016. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company doing a demonstration video for a 2001 Quintax 5-axis CNC router. Machine model number QS30-505-S5.2. You'll see a walk-around video of basic features, and then we will demonstrate it under power. Machine is currently hooked up to one of our transformers and running 220 volts. Fagor control. Control face is clean. Manual pulse generator. Control is on a rolling stand. Front portion of the machine with wired in operators mats on 3 sides, front and 2 sides. Table surfaces. Last application for this machine was machining plastic for face visors for shields. This came out of a defense contractor. Don't have the bellows covers pulled back, but those are linear guideways on the rail there. So 5-axis head. And on a separate table over here, we have sorted manuals, a USB plug there for the router, one spare drive motor that looks new, unused at least, and another drive here, but we do believe this is used, but with does not have any problems. Just a spare. Go ahead. Right now the machine's homing out. And we'll run a program immediately here. And that was the sample program we have in the router right now. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact Hildebrand Machinery Company. You can find us on the web at www.hildebrandmachinery.com or be reached at 717-846-2600. Thank you.